Hello, Craig. Adam Sanspardo here. Looking forward to being in class with you again. Start off with some pictures. Here's my wife and I when we got married. Picture me shooting. And us at Yellowstone. We really enjoyed this trip. We just did this in July, which leads me to my hobbies. We enjoy camping, hiking, kind of anything outdoors. We love to travel. And in my free time, I like to code. So right now, I am doing object-oriented programming portion in JavaScript for Free Code Camp, and it's been pretty good. I actually, this isn't my code, but I've played with it and expanded it. It's JavaScript code for asteroids, which is here, and it works. It's still a little buggy, but I'll implement it one day. Things I've done in HTML. During the COVID shutdown last year, I created this little website for my kids to have a little homeschooling schedule. It had some links here that we would rotate. They could just pick whatever they wanted to do throughout the day, and or for each morning, I guess, for what links they wanted to do, and then they could look at this, see what they were supposed to be doing, and it really helped them stay on task. Here's some more. My JavaScript was a little buggy. I should have counted down to 0 and stopped, but I'll have to revisit that later. This was all pure HTML and CSS, a little bit of JavaScript. Had a little message board, didn't get used much. Quote, only the educated are free. It's pretty fitting. Some more JavaScript here just to get the kids at the top. I started a blog last month just through React, just to expand my knowledge. I hope to keep up on this. It's sanspardo.com. And I have also created, using React and Meteor, a simple to-do list that's not launched. It's just local right now, just something I'm playing with. Also using GitHub as much as I can, and Git locally. This whole class, everything I do will be in its own repository. Here's the CSS for the page I made for the homework page for the kids, and the HTML. Tables were a little tricky, but it worked out. Yeah, so some things that I hope to gain from this class is expanding my Bootstrap knowledge. I really like that. Really interests me. JavaScript, particularly ES6, it's really confusing, but I want to expand that. Vue.js, I'm excited about that. I want to learn a framework instead of bouncing around, and I want to better understand what happens on the back end. So yeah, look forward to working with you.